Hi, I'm Mark Hott, and I'm the Athletic and Activities Director at Mays. And since I'm not teaching a class right now, I decided to work on a project that for my wiki for something that I do supervise, and I supervise our grounds team. One of their areas of responsibility, of course, is preparation of our athletic fields, and a place where I'm trying to in-service them on a regular basis is our baseball and softball fields. So I created my wiki in that regard. So I started out by registering for wiki, so I won't go back to that particular site. I think that that's all pretty straightforward. Go to wikispaces.com, go through the registration process, and set up for an educational wiki, and brings you to a site like this, and this is where you begin to edit. And so the things that I put together a wiki with these particular pages. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, and the first page started when you start your project. It asks you what to name your project, and here it's baseball field guidelines. And so these are the pages that I used for that. I think the nice thing about this particular program is that it allows you to add pages, and certainly, this is just kind of a start list for us, but the things that we would continue to develop on our inventory, I think that Wiki really provides the opportunity for that. So to begin with, started with the home page, and just click on the edit button, and brings you to this particular type of text editing feature. Kind of works like a word processing program. And I typed in the heading of the things that this is what I want my ball field to look like, and so I just typed that particular text in here. You can come in and edit the colors of that by using this particular tool. You can select a different font, the text color, and you get kind of a wheel here, and you can put in the color that you want, and so on, to change this particular text. Then I added the picture, in this case a picture of something that how I expect our ball fields to do or to look. And so to do that, merely went to this particular tool or that says File, Insert Images and Files, and Insert File, and Upload File, and I go find that on my hard drive wherever I have that particular picture located. Click upload, and then it begins to build a list here. And then once that list of uploaded files is here, you can click on that and then click on insert file, and it will insert that file. Now another thing, and then of course once that you've done that, once you've added anything, go back and save your particular page, and it brings you back to that particular page. Then to add the next page, just merely go to the pages and files, click save, or click to name your next particular page. In this case, I said a ball field checklist. I made another with a batter's box development, edging the field, and so forth. And so I added my particular pages. One of the things that I wanted to do also was to be able, from my home page, to click on, I know that we have a table of contents down the side here, but I wanted to be able to do that right from the home page itself. So if I click on any of these particular pages, it will take me forward back to that particular page. And at the bottom of each page, I put back to the home page. And the way that I did that was just merely, again, go into edit and get back to this particular screen, and then just type in your text. In this case, I'll just type in some text, then highlight it, and then click on the link button. And when you do that, here you can name that link whatever that you want it to be, and then just go and find the particular page that you want it to link to. On my other pages beside my home page, I wanted to go back to the home page, so I would just click that. I'm going to cancel here because I don't want to add that in right now, but that's a way to create a link from one page to another. If, for example, you were wanting to set up a series of pages where you read this page and then at the bottom you want to click next, say right in here, and then when you get to that next page you want to click next to get the reader to continue on. This is a way to do that by using that link and just highlighting your text and indicating the page that you want it to go to. So again, I'm going to cancel here. Went to the next particular page that I built. This was just a check sheet of some things that I want our staff to be doing. Some of the daily routine that they would be doing, daily routine after practice and games, day of game routines. And here I just took this particular information and kind of cut and pasted from a checklist. Some of the cut and paste from a Word document into this particular document isn't real clean, so you have to kind of be careful to do that. My next page had to do with adding some, again, some text and some pictures. And the pictures, again, are pretty straightforward to enter here. You just go to File and pick the particular picture or document that you want to insert that file once that you've uploaded that file into your list. And let's see, again, I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to change here. The next thing that I added was some video. And I'm sorry, I added a document again. Let's go down to the place where we added some video. In this particular case, again, to edit that, we go this time to widget and video, and in this case I took a YouTube video, and you need to you can go back and find the particular YouTube video that you want. On that YouTube video you go to upload video, and then once that video is uploaded in YouTube, there's a screen that you copy at the bottom and paste that into this particular location here, which is that address for that video. Click save, and then it is uploaded into your particular document. And again, I have a button at the bottom, takes me back to my home pages. And then at the end of my wiki I have some additional resources. That is a hyperlink that I typed in, and again that's just by adding a let me get back out of this here real quick, and that again is by just adding a link. Here again we click edit, we click link, and in this case now I'm going to put a web address. And to get that to work, you're going to have to open up, or you're going to have to click in to open a new window. You can name the link what you want, and then you just copy and paste the web link that you want it to go to. So I'm going to cancel out of this, and so again, my wiki is these particular pages. The nice thing is I'll be able to continue to add some pages on down the line as we go. As we have some additional resources or some additional things that we do on the field, there is another process which we use to work on the mound, the pitching mound. There's another particular process that we use for adding dirt and leveling out the dirt on the field, aerating and top dressing the field. And these are all things that we'll continue to build in this particular wiki and add additional pages as we come to those resources. So that's my wiki for baseball field guidelines. Thanks.